2025 Suzuki Grand Vitara, a rugged and feature-packed SUV that's been redesigned for the modern era. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. First, let's talk design. The Grand Vitara's exterior is a real head-turner, with sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and a distinctive side profile. The door handles and side mirrors have been designed for a more modern look, and the taillights feature a unique LED signature that adds to the Grand Vitara's rugged vibe. Under the hood, the Grand Vitara packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine that produces 185 horsepower and 221 lb-ft of torque. That's plenty of power for tackling tough off-road trails or hauling your favorite gear. Inside, the Grand Vitara offers a comfortable and feature-rich cabin, with premium materials and a touchscreen infotainment system. You'll also find advanced safety features like forward collision warning and lane departure warning, providing added peace of mind on the road. Key features include a 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a range of convenience features like automatic climate control and a rear-view camera. On the road, the Grand Vitara delivers impressive performance, with quick acceleration and smooth handling. And with its advanced all-wheel drive system, you'll have no problem navigating rough terrain or inclement weather. So, what's the price tag for this incredible SUV? Pricing starts at around $25,000, making it a serious value for any adventure seeker. But what really sets the Grand Vitara apart is its unique blend of power, style, and capability, combined with Suzuki's legendary reliability and fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching our review of the 2025 Suzuki Grand Vitara. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the section below. And if you're in the market for a new SUV, be sure to give the Grand Vitara a closer look. We think you'll be impressed.